and welcome to Finextra. I'm Josie Waite and I'm here with Cristina Astore from SIA. Thank you for joining me, Cristina.
Thank you.
What is the role of technology in this evolving digital payments landscape?
Digital payments are growing very fast in Europe, and technology has a key role on one side, but on the other side also the changing of customer behavior is very important. So customers, banks and PSP, they have on one side to take care about technology evolution, but on the other side they have to keep attention to the customer behavior change. We believe that in digital payments there will be many payment instruments in the market. But the success factor for digital payment will be simplicity, ease of use, confidentiality, so customer wants to secure its payments. So data protection, confidentiality, and convenience, cost, and the acceptance of the network. So also today, if you have a lot of cards in your pockets, you used to use the most easy for you and the one that is acceptable in any places. So this will be the key success factor for the future. And SIA will not compete with its customer and has a very, very key role in technology, as a technology supplier. Today we run for the London Stock Exchange the fixed income market, where we process 30 and 40,000 transactions per second with a response time of 250 milliseconds. And all of us know how important are the latency for capital market, for trading. And this technology now is bringing in the payments for instant payments application.
What services are banks providing for corporates and citizens around Euro instant payments?
Due to the customer behavior that is changing very fast, people, citizens, are looking for service on demand, mobility as a service. So they want to access to a service and they have to pay immediately for that. To have an insurance, for example, or to have some services that has to be paid before getting the services itself. Another services for the citizen can be the low value payments. For everyday transaction, we want to pay as in the easiest way as possible. If you look into the corporate, they are looking for liquidity. They want to have an immediate liquidity, and this is key for them, for big corporate or for small and medium corporates. So in order to catch this new opportunity for instant payment, the banks need to concentrate their efforts on the front end application they have, because this allows them to understand the needs of their customer. With this respect, SIA can have a big role as a processor for the payment, for the entire payment. We believe that payment will be a volume-driven business like the car business is today. And SIA is, in order to help the adoption of instant payment technology in the future, is building an infrastructure in order to process all the payments, an end-to-end payment, allowing the banks to focus on front-end and customer analysis and behavior. We launched this solution in these days. The name is SIA Easy Way, and outsourcing their business, the banks can have a lot of benefits. Time to market, cost reduction, high quality, because resilience is very important, because the volume now it's low volume, but in the future they will grow, and it's important to handle this kind of technology. SIA has 40 years of experience in this business. Technology, but also payment. So we do understand payment, but we know how to handle technology.
And your P2P service, Jiffy, has been a great success so far. What are the next steps?
You're right. Jiffy is a big success in Italy on the P2P. And now we are launching the P2B services on Jiffy in 3 big Italian cities with 2 big banks. can allow customer to pay with Jiffy at the physical shops. Due to its experience, SIA used to be the first mover in each innovation area or application. For example, we have been the first mover for instant payment clearing technology thanks to EBA clearing. We are the technological provider of EBA clearing. Now the system will be up and running and it will be the first in the Eurozone for instant payment clearing. The first customer that started the pilot with EBA, with instant payment on EBA in April, they choose SIA for secure messages, for connecting from the banks to EBA clearing. And so we have been the first network certified by EBA clearing. And also with Jiffy, we have been the first mover with an SCT instant payment solution with Jiffy years ago. And now we are as well the first in the SEPA area in terms of a number of customers, because Jiffy today has more than 110 banks connected and more than 4 million users. And for this reason, we want to be the first mover on the instant payment processing with the instant payment processing application. We still have some pilots on the application, and we believe it will be a great success for SIA in the future.
Great. That's great, Cristina. Thank you.
Thank you to you.
And thank you for watching.